Got more time just to analyze the numbers because it's really important to make sure everything's on the right spot, so the cash flow and gathering these reports much faster is much easier to report, plan, strategize, because we are talking normally when we talk about enterprise and accounting for a company, LLC, a corp, we are talking about like 3 or 4 years in the future. When you set up a trust, you are thinking 30 years in the future. We have to make sure that the strategy is right, and we have to have time for that. If you don't have time and you're just crunching numbers, you're probably losing money on just because you're just wasting time. So that's pretty important. Gravity has from Plaid and other banking interfaces, which is pretty good and saves a lot of time. You can just spend analyzing, passing over what are their expenses. We found some scams, like they try to use the credit card. So we find that because we had time to do that. Otherwise, we just get like $500 lost and wouldn't
Yeah.
make a difference. But that's money we recover. We also use the reports to check out the market. So one of the children lives in Brazil, and there is a very important difference on like loan interests. And with that time, we couldn't, and reporting, we couldn't figure out that we could get a US loan with like 3% lower interest rate. It would amount to like $1 million savings on 10 years.